Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your GMC Yukon key fob. First, gather your materials. You will need a new CR 2032 3-volt coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot along the edge of the fob, often near the key ring. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old 3-volt CR 2032 coin cell battery. Now, insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click and snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the buttons to confirm your key fob is working perfectly again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.